and welcome to our first Steam Ahead to Go activity. This week we're making sound sandwiches. Let's start by opening up our Take and Make bag to see what's inside. First, we're going to take out this piece of paper. It's got a list of contents. It's also got the link to this video here. And then it's also got a link to a form you can fill out to tell us who you are and how old you are. Now we have 2 jumbo craft sticks, 1 large thick rubber band, a skinny little rubber band, a second skinny little rubber band, and finally we have 2 little about 1-inch pieces of straw. So we're going to take 1 jumbo craft stick and the large rubber band. We're going to wrap that rubber band around the craft stick, long ways. Now we're going to take one of those straws and we're going to put it underneath the rubber band, so between the rubber band and the craft stick. And then the other straw we're going to put on top of both the craft stick and the rubber band. Then we take the other craft stick and we put it on top of everything, like a sandwich. So there you can see we've got both the straws between, and the rubber band is over one of the straws and under the other one. Now we're going to rubber band the first side together by just wrapping that smaller rubber band around it until we feel like it's nice and tight. You can see the side is pushed against each other, and now we're just going to do the same thing on this side. And that's a sound sandwich. Pretty easy, right? And now you'll see why we call it a sound sandwich. If you blow on the sticks, not through the straws, you make a nice noise. We can move these straws. For instance, if I move them wider, it makes a different noise. Whoop, too far. If I move them super close to each other, sound sandwich. Why is this working? When you blow through here, you're making that rubber band we put in the middle vibrate, and that vibration makes a sound. Longer, bigger objects vibrate slowly, and slow vibrations make lower pitched sounds. Smaller, shorter objects vibrate really quickly, and quick vibrations make higher pitched sounds. When we move the straw, we're changing what length of the rubber band is capable of vibrating. So when we push it close together, it's shorter, we get that high-pitched sound. If we pull these straws way far apart, the part that can vibrate is longer, so it's lower. So can you think of any other examples that work like the sound sandwich? I'm using one right now, my vocal cords. When the tension on our vocal cords is higher, the less of them there is to vibrate, so they vibrate faster and the sound is higher. When there's less tension, there's more of them to vibrate and they go way down low. Okay? Remember to go to this second link so that you can tell us who you are and how old you are, so that we can keep accurate records about who's using our programs. That helps us here at the library. Thanks so much, and Miss Catherine will be back next week with a craft. See ya!